The latest images have completely changed the outlook for Camp Nou. One section after another is reaching major milestones, and the pace of construction is becoming impossible to ignore. From the rapid installation of the new pitch to the growing compression ring, expanding VIP areas, ceramic facade, and major structural progress across the stadium, every update reveals something new. But the biggest question is, how close is Camp Nou to welcoming football back? Let's break down every major development in today's construction update. With every passing day, Spotify Camp Nou is looking more like a stadium preparing to welcome football back. From our observation point, construction activity remains relentless as crews continue installing red ceramic lamellas across the south goal facade while steady progress carries on around the mobility cores and the VIP ring. Inside the stadium, work is equally encouraging, with teams sealing seating sections, completing expansion joints, and advancing the structural divider between the second tier and the VIP level. Beyond that, fresh concrete works continue on the second cantilever. Interior wall finishing is progressing with precision, and new pallets of ceramic cladding keep arriving to support the next phase of facade installation. Every area of the project is advancing simultaneously, making the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou more impressive with each passing day and bringing the stadium another significant step closer to completion. One of the biggest highlights inside Spotify Camp Nou is the rapid progress of the new playing surface. The pitch installation is advancing much faster than during the previous phase, with a large portion already in place as crews continue stitching and securing each section with precision. The speed and coordination of the work clearly show that preparations for the stadium's return are moving forward at an impressive pace. Construction around the VIP ring continues to gather momentum as crews build the divider between the second tier and the VIP level. New doors and partitions for the future VIP suites are now being installed, while curtain wall works continue to transform the hospitality areas. Every update reveals a space that is steadily taking on its final shape. Activity remains intense across the upper levels of the stadium, where more lighting fixtures are being installed, and construction crews continue working throughout the third tier. At the same time, the compression ring has extended further toward the north tribune, marking another important structural milestone. Crews are also sealing the precast seating sections, preparing them for the next phase of finishing work as the stadium continues to evolve. Construction work continues at an impressive pace as crews focus on installing ceramic lamellas across the mobility cores. Several new panels have been added since the previous update, although a few lower sections remain unfinished and are expected to be completed before work progresses to the upper facade. Installation has already reached the end of this section, and if the current pace is maintained, the entire mobility core could be completed within the next few days. The lateral side is changing fast. Construction continues steadily across this section, with waterproofing tests now completed as preparations move forward for the future landscaping areas using geotextile materials and retaining walls. Activity also remains visible inside the parking level, where crews continue working around the structural anchor points. Meanwhile, the three iconic diamond structures are becoming an even more striking feature of the facade, with the second diamond now completely free of scaffolding. Another major milestone is the arrival of the new escalators, which are now positioned on site and ready for installation, while curtain wall and ground level works continue bringing the lateral side closer to its final appearance. The compression ring continues to advance at an impressive pace, with new steel sections bringing the structure closer to the tower crane. Only a few compression boxes remain before the two radial beams are connected, while crews continue installing supports and completing the remaining structural connections. With progress moving this quickly, one of Camp Nou's most important structural elements is steadily approaching another major milestone. Every update brings Camp Nou one step closer to its long-awaited return, and the biggest milestones are still ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next construction update.